Hello guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Oliviabosschickaddo. If you're new here, I am a lifestyle, beauty, reaction, and also I do fashion and some other few DIYs. I like to explore, I like to play around with a lot of things. If I just see something very interesting, I like to venture into it, and that's what you'll be seeing in this channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also like and also share if you want to. Okay guys, in this video here today I want to discuss on the weight gain issues. I have gotten a lot of requests from Facebook on how to gain weight without using supplements, because a lot of people ask, is it possible to gain weight without using supplement? And I said yes, it is very possible, because I am an example. Initially I did a video on how to gain weight using Apetamin, and something happened just of recent. I fell ill, I had typhoid, and I lost a lot of weight, and I was wondering how I'm going to get my body back. I'll be giving you guys simple key ingredients you can use in making your protein shake, and this is something you can get easily. You don't need to stress yourself to go far to look for stuffs like this. You don't need to buy it online, you don't need to buy and you don't need to buy for it to be delivered to you. It's something you can get within your vicinity, within your reach. That is why I'm making this video, something you can get within your reach, because a lot of people have complained about how to get the Apetamin. It is hard to get, blah blah blah. That's why I'm making a video right now telling you that you don't need Apetamin to gain weight. You can still gain weight without Apetamin. But if you can reach Apetamin, then fine, it is good for you. But if you can't reach it, this is another way. Okay, first of all, you're going to get these ingredients. Number one on my list is yogurt or milk. It's either you're going to get a yogurt or you're going to get milk. Please do not get any of these things that do not have calories, because there are yogurts that don't have calories, there are yogurts and milk that are not meant, that don't have calories at all. So please get the ones with calories, yogurt or milk. The second thing is banana. The third ingredient is peanut butter and also granules. Any of the above, either peanut butter or you're getting granules. Your granules should be powdered, because you need it powdered, because it is better that way. Then the last thing on the list is egg. Egg is not compulsory. If you know you cannot deal with the egg thing, then you can leave that one and push it aside and just focus on the other three ingredients up. But if you know you can work with egg, then fine, it is good, because also good for your voice. It's really good for your voice. Then the first thing you're going to do is just get a blender, pour your milk or pour your yogurt, put your banana inside, then take a spoon, or I would prefer you take a spoon of your peanut butter or little quantity of your powdered granules and put it inside the blender. Then you can break your egg and put it inside. The egg is optional, you can decide to drop it aside if you know you cannot work with it. Then blend it, mix it, blend it very well, then pour it into a cup, put it in the fridge, and you can now drink. Yeah guys, I still have a lot of ingredients you can use, especially if you want to grow your butt, but I'll be doing it in another video, not in this video, because the request I got from Facebook was certainly on what if I cannot get Apetamin, because a lot of people complain that I can't get Apetamin, I can't get Apetamin. So do I need Apetamin first before I can gain weight? No, you don't need that. Apetamin is for people that find it very hard to have appetite to eat. But if you do this whole protein shake thing, even though you don't have appetite to eat, as you're taking it on its own, it has the whole weight gain agent that we will need for you to gain weight so fast and very easy. Right guys, we have finally come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can drop it down on my comment section, and I'll be putting my social media links down on my description box. You can connect with me and ask me any question you want to ask, and in my next video I'll be discussing more agents on how to grow your butt. See you in my next video. Bye guys.